What have you seen? Is there any similar threads or common themes that limited partners are really upset about?
Yeah, absolutely. The number one thing people bring up is communication. It is communication even above returns, because communication, lack thereof, poor communication, the refusal to acknowledge something is going wrong is an indicator of everything else that's coming, right? And so when I started interviewing LPs, no one cared about being a quarter of a point off on their IRR. It's like, what is happening, right? Why is it happening? And what are we going to do to fix it? They want to know what's going on. Like, that's the biggest thing, effective communication. Obviously, no one wants to take a bath and lose their full investment. I'm not saying that, like, that's not being brought up. But the number one focus right now in conversations is how are things being communicated, because it affects future investments as well. Like, are you disclosing publicly in your marketing material, or are you still just continuing to raise as the deal that I'm in is going under? So number one is communication.